Hello, and welcome to That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. It's party time, and we are going to make those meatballs that everybody seems to have all the time. This is really easy. It's one of those things that's quick, but takes a while. If that makes, well, it'll make sense in a minute. So what we got here is the liner from my crock pot, and a bag of 24 count, 1 ounce, dinner size, flame broiled, Italian style, gluten-free meatballs. Say that 3 times fast. So we're going to open this up, and we're just going to pour them in. There they go. They're about that big right now. That's important. We're going to take 1 jar of chili sauce. Not cocktail sauce, chili sauce. And you can use the generic stuff if you like. I just happened to grab this one because it was the only thing they had. And it's got one of those child-proof plastic, don't you mess with my stuff in my bottle, which is not a bad thing, because you know what? I saw a guy in the store the other day, had the lid off of this thing, had his finger in it, tasting it, which was bad enough, but he also had to take his mask off to do it. So I almost reported him, but you know me, I don't like to make waves, so I just kept on walking. And I know I'm going to get hate mail because I didn't report him, but sorry. Okay, we just take the whole bottle, we're going to put it in there. Now, we're going to take 1 cup of grape jelly. Once again, you can use the generic here too if you like. In fact, this whole thing, you can make it with generic ingredients. Whatever makes you happy. I have seen people do this with apple jelly instead of grape jelly. And I've often toyed with the idea of taking a little port wine just to rinse out the bottle and adding that too. Maybe next time. So we take the whole cup of that. We're done with this spoon over here, so we'll put it over here. And close our stuff up. And we're just going to mix it around a little bit. Don't have to be real thorough. The grape jelly will melt. So we're going to take this, put it in our crock pot, or our heating element for our crock pot, and we're going to let this go for about 3 hours. So you know how this goes. I'll put this in here and I'll cook it for 3 hours, but it'll seem like 3 seconds to y'all. It'll be like fade out, fade in. So we'll see you in about 3 hours. Hang in there. Bye. It's been 3 hours more or less, and these should be done. Let's check it out. These meatballs are a little larger than what I normally would buy for this, but that shouldn't matter. I wouldn't think. Toothpick. Once again, I'm faced with a dilemma. Do I bite into this and burn myself for the sake of the video, or do I put it down and let it cool off? Wasn't that hot, but it's really good. The glaze is on the outside and it's seeped into the meatball a little bit, and the combination of the chili sauce and the grape jelly You wouldn't think that'd be good, but it's a classic. So, that's been another episode of That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. Excuse me. And that's been the Party Time Meatballs. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you get a reminder next time I do a video. Y'all have a good day. Bye.